Hey everyone, welcome back to GameMaker Cast. It's Mickey, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out a game called Nomad. I bought this last week. I saw it on sale. It was a post from a Reddit user. I will have the description I'll have the link in the description and everything below. So we're going to check out this GameMaker game. So let's roll the intro and let's get right into the gameplay. So you can see we have the game here in front of us. I can move around left and right. I have been playing this game for a little bit on and off, so I have unlocked some things. We have our first couple rooms up here that shows us kind of how to play the game. We'll just kind of skip those as we go. And in here is the main room. We have a option where we can actually have some guns, so we can unlock guns. We automatically start with a pistol, and then we have two different perks, and we also have a room where we can come in and we can change our clothing options that we have unlocked here. So if I go back to the main room, we'll take a look at the perks. You get two perks. You can change them as you go, or you can leave them as is for each round. So there's a whole bunch of different ones. There's rate of fire, or you can also have the damage perk. I'll change this to say the release the hounds. So by default, you start off with this pistol, and that's what I'll be using here. So when we start the game, the object of the game is to catch the chicken. Now, to sum it up, basically we are playing capture the flag here, but we are trying to capture this black chicken running around. I can easily duck or hide behind these little squares here, and then I can pop out to shoot a guy, and that's basically the controls there. So I'm going to see if I can grab this chicken without dying. This might be a little hard one here. I may have to wait till he comes back. And I'm almost dead. Okay, let's try and get him. And I missed him. Let's wait again. Oh, come on. Come on, teammates. I need you here. Alright, so teammates got him. Let's see if we can grab this guy. Come here. Okay, so we got this chicken. Now what we have to do is place him in this cage. Just like we bring the flag back to our base. And then we can wait it out, or we can go ahead and try and kill the rest of the enemies here. Some of the cool stuff is when the enemies die, they will drop either health packs or they will drop their weapon. You see that guy dropped his weapon here, so I can come up and I can pick this weapon up. So now I have a machine gun for the next round. Pretty cool. Let's start the next round here. So I believe we have 2 rounds of catch the chicken and then 1 round of a last team standing here. I only have 1 hit point left, so I can really only get hit once before the game is over. So let's go up here, see if we can find that chicken really quickly. I'm here, don't get shot, don't get shot. Let's see if I can end this. So the other thing I want to mention is the Reddit user also said that they would come back later on. I think they're on vacation time of this video. They're going to come back later on and talk about how they did the leg movement. I believe it's using inverse kinematics, so that'll be something interesting. I'll also have that post in the description. Let's see if I can finish this off. And then finally we should have the last team standing. So in this round, it's basically what it says, last team standing. Just have to go and you have to defeat all of the enemies. So all these white squares are enemies. We can also hold control to see the map, which is pretty nice. And let's see if we can beat this one. Need to reload. I almost have my perk here. I do have my perk, so I can just hit F. You can hear the sounds come in. Oh, I died. Oh well. Anyway, it has some really cool replay value. It's really cute. I suggest checking it out. I'll have all the links and everything like that, especially to the Steam page, in the description below. Thanks for watching.